Sabi dito, whoever thinks being queer or gay or trans is a choice, no, it's not a choice. If I had the choice to only like women, I would choose that choice. If there was an easier way out, we would have chosen that long time ago, pero hindi kasi this is what we really are. And no one is stopping you to become who you want to be. But it does not mean na kailangan sumali ng ibang tao doon sa pag-play out ng delusions nyo. Okay? Fine kung gusto nyo ng karelasyon na same sex. Fine kung gusto nyo ng sexual partner na same sex. But, hindi nyo mapipilit yung ibang tao na tawagin kayo ma'am, sir, kung, 'di ba? Alam naman nila or nakikita naman nila doon sa kasarian nyo. Medyo mahirap gawin na tawagin mong itim yung puti at yung puti itim. Stop needing the approval of each and every one just to make yourself feel good or feel better. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.